Welcome. It is Sunday and we are in week 2. I'm really excited to continue on with this work and continue on with this portrait. Today, I'm going to continue blocking in the mouth shape and finishing the face shape in all. And then this week, I'm going to continue to put all the pieces together. I'm going to block in the hair shape so I can get a good feel for creating the depth, creating the various layers, the grass, the hair, the body, the flowers, the leaves, and so forth. And then I'll continue. My goal is to finish the initial block in by the end of this week. And then the next couple of weeks, focus and demonstrate how I add additional layers to build up the color, build up the skin tone, build up the depth in the shape of the piece. I'm really excited about this piece. This is definitely something different than what I usually do. There's a lot of moving pieces, a lot of pieces to the puzzle. Most of my portraits are very simple, just a face and hair, maybe some of the body. And this is a big challenge for me and a big undertaking. So I'm really excited to share it with you. I'm excited to take on the challenge, and I'm excited to get through week 2. So today I'm blocking in the rest of the face, and then I will see you back here tomorrow as well to as I block in the hair shape. All right. Happy Sunday and happy creating.